A very happy good morning to everyone. This is Rama Devi. I am studying 10th grade in Phoenix Global School. I am coming from Pioneers Group. Today we all gathered here to celebrate the World Mathematics Day on December 22nd by the birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan. So coming to my topic, today I am going to explain about trigonometry. What is trigonometry? To understand this concept, let us take few examples of trigonometry. For example, if a boy stands in front of a pole and watches the top of the pole, then a right angle triangle can be imaged. And when a girl sitting on her balcony of her house and watching a flower pot which is present in front of the building on the stairs of a temple, then a right angle triangle can be imaged. And when a girl standing in front of a tree and watches the top of the tree, then a right angle triangle can be imaged. And when a boy standing in front of the Eiffel Tower and watches the top of the Eiffel Tower, then a right angle triangle can be imaged. In all these situations, the distances or heights can be found by using some mathematical techniques, which comes under a branch of mathematics called the trigonometry. The word trigonometry is derived from Greek by the tri means three, gon means sides, and metron means to measure. In fact, the trigonometry is the study of relationship between angles and sides of a triangle. And in this concept, we will learn about the trigonometric ratios and identities and values of the trigonometric ratios. So, the early astronomers used this trigonometry to find the distances of stars and planets from the Earth. Even today, we are using trigonometry in various purposes like physical sciences and engineering, etc. So, let us see about the trigonometric ratios. For example, a right angle triangle ABC and a right angle triangle ABC. So, to find the angle, we have to use the trigonometric ratios. For example, the AC is with respect to angle A, then it is called as opposite side of angle A, and BC is a hypotenuse and AB is adjacent side of angle A. So like this, there are 6 types of ratios. Those are sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot. Sine theta, opposite side of angle theta by hypotenuse. Cos theta, adjacent side of angle theta by hypotenuse. And tan theta, opposite side of angle theta by adjacent side of angle theta. Cosecant theta, hypotenuse by opposite side of angle theta. Secant theta, hypotenuse by adjacent side of angle theta. And cot theta, adjacent side of angle theta by opposite side of angle theta. So these are the 6 types of trigonometric ratios and the trigonometric identities. Those are sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1, and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. So these are the trigonometric identities. And when the BC decreases in right angle triangle, when the BC decreases to 0 degrees, then how can we find the angle of the right angle triangle? So for that, there are some formulas. Those are the tan theta is equals to sine by cos, cosecant is equals to 1 by sine theta, and the secant theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. So, we have a table about the values of trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot. when sine 60 and cos 30, the value is root 3 by 2. And sine 30 and cos 60, 1 by 2. Sine 45, cot 45, 1 by root 2. And sine 30, tan 30 and cot 45. Cot 45, the value is 1. Tan 60, cot 30, root 3. And cosecant 60, secant 30, 2 by root 3. Cosecant 30, secant 60, the value is 2. And the cosecant 45 and secant 45, the value is root 2. So up to now we have seen about the basic formulas of trigonometry. Now let us see what are the real examples of trigonometry. There are many real life examples of trigonometry. Those are navigation, GPS, surveying, medical imaging, MRI and CT scans, oceanography, construction and architecture, and physics and engineering. Let us see about navigation. The trigonometry is used to calculate the distances or heights or altitudes by using the trigonometry. The trigonometry is used to calculate the distances or heights of it. It includes the GPS. The pilots relies on trigonometry